Yo! All right, y'all. Hello. Today we are going to be doing some ring forming. Peter gave me a quick tutorial last week. I cut my blanks yesterday and polished and sort of shaped them to get them ready. I just laser engraved this one. I kind of did a quick and dirty, sort of similar design to my bracelet design from the bracelet forming video. I believe this is 12 millimeter brass blank. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing some Anticlastic ring forming. Let's go ahead and do it. All right, polishing is all done. I laser engraved it with the design. Like I said before, similar to my bracelet design. Very simple. In the future, maybe I'll do something like carve out the hand a little bit or something. That might be kind of cool. But for now, this is what we're gonna do. I wanted something sort of simple so that I could go ahead and get going on the ring forming. So let's do that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some, I got our crossbar here with the Anticlastic ring forming shapes on there. I already set up my urethane here, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Wait, that was not a good first bend. There we go. Okay, let's try the middle now. Oh, slid a little bit. Okay, not bad. Actually, a little surprised. I did not do a bad job there. It's pretty cool. I think I might have done it. Let's take it out and see how we did. Not bad. All right, let's check that out. Yeah, not too bad. There we go. Pretty cool. It actually fits pretty good too. All finished with the ring. Takeaways. I understand why rings tend to taper off on the edges underneath the ring because it's really thick. So it becomes a little harder to close it in there. As far as the actual forming goes, it felt easier than bracelet, probably due to a little less material. I think Peter mentioned something about rings kind of being a full circle as opposed to bracelets sort of only coming to, a certain area, and they're not really circular, they're more oval shaped, not as round, I guess. So when I did mess up, I could keep tweaking it. I kind of kept moving it back and forth and shifted the ring side to side. which corrected some of the mess up, the curve it was getting, the bend. Yeah, and it pretty much is good. Way better than my practice run yesterday. So, yeah, really fun. Thanks for joining me in this journey to ring forming, and we'll see y'all again soon. Cut that out.